Hello everybody, my office. Something happened to the Windows 11 version 24H2 before I tried to install it, but it kind of like didn't restart itself. So I hope this time it works again because it's 95% installing. So I will wait because before I didn't start the computer restart the computer. Anyway, in part 5 of the ALA, it will perform itself into network 3. If the cohesion by E selected the internal structure of the network, it will require C, E, F, G. By the spirit of the sun, it will reverse the timer. In so, the position of sector 3, it is likely to have the node of 3B12 for the board of the third moon. The third moon may request the pyramid table for the sun. In time, it will reweave itself into the material to transcript itself into the division. The division is C plus 1829. I hope this version works and Crossfire still works. I'll pause this one. Thank you. Now it's 98% installing. So I don't know if you have to restart the computer or not, but it still uses Crossfire. So I hope when the update's been finished, it will still use Crossfire. Thank you, God. The alignment of time for the sun will burst into hell. In time, it will reweave the material. The material is C plus 1829 by the spirit of the sun. The sun may boss itself into the division of the completion. In time, it will reweave the material. The material is C plus 1829 for my brother Kung Kao. The democracy of law based upon implementation and network, it will require cell E18. So let's see what happens if this reset itself. I pause this because it takes a while. Thank you. Oh, it's finished installing. It doesn't ask me do you have to reset or not. So I don't know. Let's wait and see what happens after this one. Thank you. So it's not asking me to restart the computer. I wonder why. It's still saying installing 100%. So let's see what happens next. Restart now. Here it is. The computer asked me to restart. So look. So I hope this works. Restart the computer. I will pause this. I hope Windows 11 22.4H2 works and with the Crossfire. I'm glad it will work. So we're starting. I have to press F12 to boot the menu when this is down. Press F12 to boot the menu because it uses Ubiton. I hope the new version of Windows 11 works. Oh, it does work. Look, it shows different loading. Load icon. Transmission of the program will isolate 245, which is a pin out even order the third moon. The third moon may request the pyramid table for the sun. In time, it will reweave the material. The material to transcript itself into the fifth moon is the blasting of the hierarchy. The door of heaven will array itself into the third noun to produce the alignment of time for the sun. In time, it will reweave the material. The material is C plus 1829. Thank you. Lucky I pressed F12 because it restart. I will pause this one. So the computer restart itself. So hopefully this works. I have to press F12 for the menu. The computer may restart a few times. That's what it says. So it's 75%. I will pause this. So I hope this worked in the crossfire. The timer is BE8921 for the speed of the sun. It may rework the material to transcript itself into the fifth moon. The fifth moon may burst into hell in Lucifer. The transcode system will form into 8BF3. It's updating. I don't know what it's doing. The screen's off. Oh, it reboot. Now it goes to default screen. The timer will play itself into the maximum number of working partition. In the general store of the hierarchy, it will pin out the 1143. The fifth division for the completion of the area is B121829 for the Spirit of the Sun. It may pass into the retimer. This is Windows 11 version 24H2. I hope the Crossfire works because it was running Windows 10. Please work. Because the loading icon has changed. I paused this one. %. It does say your computer may restart a few times. It already restarted a few times. So I hope the Crossfire works in my 3 screen, running the 4 screen as the default screen. So let's fingers crossed, everybody. So the Crossfire is not on. I wonder why. I hope it works. I have to set up the Crossfire. I'll pause this one. So the Crossfire. So my computer works in the full screen, but I have to set up the Crossfire. So let's have a look. It doesn't show the Crossfire. Alright, display settings. I would set this up. So it doesn't show AMD. This is a different version of Windows. But anyway, I have to set it up to know which one is which. Thank you.